We got a fix for you, but what's with the monkey? I know, you're freaking out. You just got the 500 internal server error, and you don't know what to do. And it says, sorry, something went wrong. A team of highly trained monkeys have been dispatched to deal with this situation. If you see them, send them this information. As text, screenshot, frighten them. But no worries. It's an internal issue, nothing to do with your channel. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes for them to fix. I've seen no longer than an hour. You can always check back by refreshing the page. Your channel's fine, and so is mine. We just had to be patient, that's all. And the monkey, you ask? Well, that's just Google and YouTube's sense of humor. Some of us don't find it funny. Well, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!